Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you the trending filter called Slow Zoom on TikTok like this. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So this filter slowly zooms into where you have pointed the camera. It gives a cinematic effect to your videos. So let me show you how to find it and use the effect. Open your TikTok app on your phone. Now tap on Discover and then search for Slow Zoom. It should appear under Effects and look like this. Tap on it and see how others have used this effect. If you don't see this filter in your search results, then it means it's still not available for your country. Check back later as TikTok is slowly rolling it out to everyone. Once you're ready, tap on Try this effect. Now on screen, you'll see these three options: 10 seconds, 15 seconds, and 30 seconds. 10 seconds option will zoom in the screen quite quick, while 30 seconds will zoom into the screen very slowly. So choose your settings, and then once you're ready to shoot, tap on the record button. The effect will automatically zoom into the subject. And there you go, that is how to find and use the slow zoom effect on TikTok. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.